Hi buddies, let's see how to work on a CSV file and write the data in our CSV file. So let's discuss the steps. So steps to write a data in CSV file. Step 1. Open the Python script mode. Step 2. We have to import CSV. To work in a CSV file, we have to import CSV. Step 3. Open the file in write mode. So the file should be opened in a write mode. Example, you can see f is equal to open write 1.csv, and we have given a mode as w. So when we mention w as a mode, it is used to write. So if the file is already present, it will truncate the previous data. If the file does not exist, it will create a new file and stores the informations. So once the step 3 is done, so create a writer object. So the syntax for the writer object is equal to csv dot writer of file handle. So once the writer object has been created, so we can use a step 5. So using step 5, either to write a row or you have to write a rows. If it is a single row, we can use write row. If it is multiple rows, we can use a multiple rows as a function. So these are the steps to be followed to write the data in our CSV file. Open a Python script mode to type the program. So the following program is being typed. So first line, just I have given as import CSV. We have opened script mode, and I just follow the steps which I have explained previously. So we have to import second step, and third step we have to open a file in w mode, and the fourth step we have to create a writer object, and next we have to use the write row or write rows function. So I have just asked for a data and I just give. So in a write row function, I have given like sno s name class. So these are the headings which I give, and I just ask 3 input like serial number, s name of student name, class. I'm just asking enter the class. So these are the datas which I'm asking to input. Once the input is given, I use the function called write row. So inside a square bracket, and I just give all the variable name, and I just store the row in the file. So once you save your file, go click on F5. It is asking you to enter a serial number. So I just give a serial number as 10 and the student name as Vimal, and enter the class. I just give the class as 10. So these are the data I'm just giving in my file. So this information is written on the file. So the program is successfully executed. Now we have to go out to the location called E, and the file name is called studentdb. So I just go to the location and I just open my file to check whether the file is being created or not. So let me open a location of E drive and let me check whether it is present or not. So I'm just opening my E drive, and in a E drive I'm just checking what is the file name. The file name, so the typed file name, it is present here. So I just open my file name. You can find there is a serial number, yes name, and class. The information what we have given in a Python, it is in our CSV file in a Excel format. So this is how we have to create the data using a Python. So we can see here the data which I given like 10 Vimal, and the class is 10. So the heading already I've given like serial number, name, class. So these are the information is being written on a file. So this is how we have to create a CSV file and write the data. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.